When I ask you to write this sentence in future tense, this is what most of you write. I will see her. Most of you write will and then the verb in base form. And that's okay, but did you know we don't, I repeat, we do not use this formula, subject plus will plus base form, all the time to talk about the future? Hi, my name is Dora, and welcome to another glorious episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. This episode is about the future. If you want to watch an episode on the future simple with Will, then watch Lindsay's episode. She tells you everything you need to know. Right now, check this out. Take a look at this. This is the lunch menu schedule at my children's school. Here in Canada, some schools have a cafeteria that makes hot lunches. The menu has a lot of food from all over the world. Today is Tuesday. My kids get tacos. Yay, Taco Tuesday! They love tacos. Tomorrow, my kids eat chicken fried rice. This Thursday is spaghetti and meatballs. On Fridays, my kids leave the school at noon for their ski lesson, and we eat the cheese sandwiches at the ski hill. Was I talking about the future? Did you hear me use will? Look at what I said. Tuesday, my kids get tacos. Tomorrow, they eat chicken fried rice. Thursday is spaghetti and meatballs, and Fridays we eat cheese sandwiches. What tense do you see? Yes, that's right, the present simple. We use the present simple to talk about future events when they are on a schedule. So here are some questions. Answer them with the future tense. Someone asks you, what time does the train leave? You could say, the train leaves at 4 p.m. What if you said, the train will leave at 4 p.m.? Let's look at those sentences again. If you said A, it's correct. You are making a statement about a schedule that never changes. And most people would say that. But if you said B, it sounds like the train could leave at other times. Maybe you're the person responsible for changing the train schedule. And then you decide, yes, I've decided that the train will leave at 4 p.m. And here is the difference between present simple and future simple. Present simple is always about things that happen in the future that are fixed and are generally true, almost like facts. Future simple with will is about things you decide suddenly will happen. Quick quiz. Which sentence is a fact based on a fixed schedule? James will eat breakfast at 7 a.m. James eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Right, it's B. James eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Sentence A sounds like someone finally decided that James will eat breakfast at 7 a.m. That's all for this episode. If you like us, why not sign up for a class? Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. See you soon.